Greetings. Today is a very special day. It is Emancipation Day, and on this day we would do a variety of different emancipation delicacies. So I would like to share with you how I make my cassava pone. Let's go. Here are the ingredients that are needed to get this done. In this bowl, I have 6 pounds of cassava. Here I have 1 dry coconut, which I would peel and grate. I have some ginger. I will use a piece of ginger in my cassava pone. 4 tablespoons of margarine. You can use butter as well. I have some raisins, which has been soaked, and you drain the water off to get rid of the water, and you soak it so you can get rid of the excess sugar in the raisins. I have 2 cups of granulated sugar or white sugar. I have in this little container 1 teaspoon of salt. I will add some vanilla essence, and you can use any flavor essence of your choice. I have my nutmeg and my favorite black pepper, indie ground powder black pepper, but I would have preferred to use the coarse black pepper, but unfortunately it wasn't in the supermarket. Let's get started. The oven has been lit to 180 degrees Celsius or gas mark 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have also greased my baking dish, which I will put the pone in when it's finished mixing together. So we'll put this aside until we're ready. So now let's peel, wash, and grate the cassava as well as the coconut. Here is our cassava peeled and washed, and the coconut shell as well as the ginger peel. So here I'm going to do it the traditional way. I will use my grater and grate everything. You can also save yourself all this grating and put your stuff into the food processor, but I don't like to do it that way. Here we have the coconut, the cassava, and the ginger, which has been grated. So now I'm going to add the salt to this, and I'll mix it in using my spatula. I'm also gonna add the margarine to this mixture. And I will work it into cassava and the coconut and ginger mixture. Then I will add the sugar. I'm gonna mix this in as well. Remember I told you, you can also use brown sugar. I don't have any brown sugar at this time, so I'm working with what I have, but it's not a problem if you use the brown sugar. Okay, guys? I'm now gonna add the other flavorings to this mixture. Here I have the nutmeg. I'm gonna grate some into it. Average of half of a teaspoon. I'm gonna also add my vanilla essence using my handy measure. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence to this mixture, and maybe an extra one. Depends on how you like your stuff to be flavored. You can decide. And we'll mix them in properly into the mixture. I am gonna add the raisins to this. If you don't like raisins, you don't have to put it into your cassava pone. You can put, you know, if you want to put some cherries, you can put some cherries, you can put raisins, you can leave it plain. However you like it, that is how you can, you know, do it. I'm gonna add some raisins. I added some raisins to mine. This is nice. You can even add some mixed fruits if you wish. I'm gonna add the black pepper to this. So I'm gonna add half of a teaspoon of black pepper to this mixture. You know, the black pepper gives it a nice little spicy kick. I would have really loved if I had gotten the coarse black pepper, but I just have to work with what I have. And now we will add some milk and mix this to a stiff consistency. Okay, you can also add water. Well, the cassava, with the cassava and the coconut, this mixture is already to a certain consistency. So I'm going to throw the milk and see how it goes. I'm going to throw half of it. Let's see. We don't want the mixture too mushy. We must be able to, well, that's how I do it. I must be able to take the fork and press onto this mixture, and the imprints of the fork should be on it. It must not soak in, you know, and disappear. So that is how I would normally decide on the consistency of this. Now, then again, you don't want it too stiff when it bakes, but yet still not too soft. Okay, so this seems to be okay, and I have used like 3/4 of the milk. If you don't have milk, you can use water to mix it with. That is fine as well. And I usually like to taste it, so taste is nice, but I'm gonna add another portion of 1/2 teaspoon more of the black pepper to this and start in, and we are good here. So what I'll do next, I will pour this mixture into my greased bacon dish, and we're gonna put it into the oven to bake for approximately 1.5 hours, or until it's nicely colored on top. I will now put this into the oven to bake. Yes, so this is our finished cassava pone. This is what it should look like. I do encourage you to try my recipe. It is very simple to follow, and this is a delicious Emancipation dessert, or you can make it any time of the year you feel like eating a piece of cassava pone. Do enjoy the video, and please give me a thumbs up and leave a nice comment at the bottom. Do share your pictures of how your cassava pone came out. Please remember to share my page, and I will see you in my next video.